Let me check this thing right now before it had me recording, and it ain't right.
You can't get enough, and you don't know why.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Jackie Nicole here. Today I am going to clean off this vanity because I am sick. I want to make videos, but I'm not really, I'm feeling blah, but I still want to get some content, done. So I'm going to record me getting this vanity together. I don't know why everything ends up on here, but we just recently rearranged the room. So within rearranging the room, everything extra got piled up on top of there. And so I'm going to go ahead and fix that today. So enjoy. Let me throw on some music. Okay.
And to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on the side. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me.
Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. And she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. And she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it.
Together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can be real with me. Trying to keep us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on the side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel.
That lighting was so disrespectful right here, I swear. Cause baby, look. And you guys, I am done. Let's see how long it's gonna stay like this. But this vanity is linked in my storefront in the description. Okay, so it comes in other colors, and I love it when it's clear. But everything ends up on this little tabletop thing or whatever. Bay used my stool meat. She be looking at TV with it. But anyway, yeah, this is it all cleaned up.
My bills paid, rent paid,